Hi, I'm Zach Miller, and inside of this course, you're going to be learning how to create the perfect article. Now, at the end of this, you're going to be able to learn and know how to optimize an article properly using the right keywords, how to use these keywords so they stand out, they're inside of certain headlines and have certain descriptors around them that search engine spiders pick up. So all of this is going to be a pretty easy course, but it has a lot of minutia details to it that you do need to take into account. So it's very important to learn how to optimize an article in all the correct ways possible, so that way you're making sure you're coming ahead of your competition and therefore your articles rank higher inside of these search engines. Now, with that being said, Udemy's going to be asking you for a review very shortly, a little bit too much for my taste, but when they do, if you enjoyed the course so far, leave a 5-star review. That would be so helpful to me, my rankings, and of course being able to provide future content for you and all fellow subscribers and students by your side. With that being said, if of course you find that you don't want to rank it 5 stars at that moment, then just wait till the end, and then you're going to end up getting the big picture, and that's going to be obviously you having the entire scope, the best and juiciest information, while again I try to pack that up front. It's just not always possible, because once you have the big picture, you understand the minutiae and the big things and the little things, and it all comes together like a big piece of puzzle work. So at the end, leave that 5-star review if you haven't when they ask you that first time. And again, that's going to be really beneficial to me, helping me, give me that motivation to help add more content for you guys, and always come back and update this course more and more, answer your questions, etc. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on in, shall we?